Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your cleaning history on Roborock app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just cleaned using their Roborock for the first time. How do you actually go ahead and see your cleaning history? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually approach this is that first you're going to log onto your Roborock app. Next, you're going to click on enter with the device in which you want to see the history for. Now, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see three dots. So click on those three dots. And then once you click on those three dots, you're going to click on history, which is the first button. So as you can see, you get a history of your Roborock. So mine, for example, has worked for 170 hours. It's turned on 220 times. And here down below, you can basically click on different tabs here to see the cleanup details and the history of each action. So you can see this was one here. This right here was a finished cleaning. So this is a really good way to actually go ahead and get an idea of how much your Roborock is cleaning. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your cleaning history on your Roborock app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.